welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be building a crab with this square piece of paper. So I've just taken a blue color small piece of paper, but it's I suggest using a red paper because it's crab, but I just got this paper. So without further ado, let's get started. There we have it. We have built the crab and it looks pretty cool. And this video is surprisingly short as it is a small origami. And this is my first origami video. So it looks cool. It'll look even more cool if you add more eyes to it. It looks better now. So here we have built the crab. Pretty cool. So if you like this video, like the video, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button and help me reach 1000 subs. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.